Welcome to Daily IQ. Today 29th May 2024. In this video, we will teach you top 15 current affairs MCQ with explanation. For daily current affairs video, please subscribe my channel and bell the notification icon.
Question number 1. Who became first Indian gymnast to win a gold in any Asian Championships?
Answer is Deepa Kormokar. Deepa Kormokar of Tripura became the first ever Indian gymnast to win a gold medal in any Asian Championships. She won the gold medal in the women's vault individual final at the Asian Women's Artistic Gymnastics Championships 2024 in Tashkent, Uzbekistan on 26 May 2024. Deepa Kormokar was conferred India's highest sports award, the Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award 2016.
Question number 2. Indian Army has received its first hydrogen fuel cell bus from.
Answer is Indian Oil Corporation Limited IOCL. The Indian Army received its first hydrogen fuel cell bus from Indian Oil Corporation Limited IOCL, highlighting a commitment to sustainable transport with zero emissions. This bus, seating 37 passengers, offers 250 to 300 kilometers mileage on a full hydrogen tank. The first hydrogen fuel cell-powered bus was delivered to IOCL by Tata Motors in September 2023.
Question number 3. Scientists of which university have developed a new vaccine to fight malaria?
Answer is Jawaharlal Nehru University, JNU. Scientists from Jawaharlal Nehru University, JNU, discovered a potential malaria vaccine candidate targeting the parasite's prohibitin protein. Published in iScience by Cell Press, their research offers hope for better prevention and treatment. Malaria, transmitted by Anopheles mosquitoes, remains a significant health burden globally, with 249 million cases and 60,800 deaths in 2022.
Question number 4. Which state government has banned gutkha and pan masala for 1 year?
Answer is Telangana. Telangana government has banned the manufacture, storage, distribution and sale of gutka and pan masala, containing tobacco and nicotine in the state for 1 year in public interest. The ban will go into effect for a time of 1 year, starting from 24th May 2024. The move comes amid growing concerns related to the consumption of gutka and pan masala. The products are often linked to oral cancer, oral submucous fibrosis and other health problems.
Question number 5. Who was appointed as the Commandant of the National Defence Academy, NDA?
Answer is Gurcharan Singh. Vice Admiral Gurcharan Singh took charge as the Commandant of the National Defence Academy, Khadakwasla, Pune. He replaced Vice Admiral Ajay Kochar. Vice Admiral Gurcharan Singh was also an alumnus of the National Defence Academy, Khadakwasla, on 1 July 1990. Vice Admiral Gurcharan Singh joined the Indian Navy.
Question number 6. Centre has extended the tenure of the Army Chief General Manoj Pandey by.
Answer is 1 month. The Appointments Committee has approved the extension of the tenure of the current Army Chief General Manoj Pandey for 1 more month. General Manoj Pandey was to retire on 31st May 2024, and his term was extended until 30th June 2024. General Manoj Pandey was commissioned into the Indian Army in 1982 in the Corps of Engineers, the Bombay Sappers. Before becoming the Army Chief, he was the Vice Chief of the Indian Army. He took over as the Chief of Army Staff on 30th April 2022.
Question number 7. Which is the first Indian film to win the Grand Prix award at the Cannes Film Festival?
Answer is All We Imagine as Light. Payal Kapadia's directed film, All We Imagine as Light, made history at the 77th Cannes Film, when it won the Grand Prix prize in the feature film segment. With this, Payal Kapadia became the first Indian to win the Grand Prix award at the Cannes Film Festival. This year, India has bagged 4 awards at the prestigious Cannes Film Festival 2024.
Question number 8. Who won the men's singles title of the BWF Malaysia Masters 2024?
Answer is Victor Axelsen. World number 1 Victor Axelsen won his first World Tour title of 2024 in the men's singles category after defeating Malaysian badminton player Lee Zediaigeo in the Badminton World Federation BWF Malaysia Masters 2024, held from 21st to 26th May 2024. Two-time Olympic gold medalist and world number 15, Pusala Venkat, PV, Sindhu settles as runner-up in the women's singles category after losing the match to world number 7, Wang Zhiyi of China, in the BWF Malaysia Masters 2024.
Question number 9. Who has been appointed as Citroen's brand ambassador in India?
Answer is MS Dhoni. French automaker Citroën has roped in former India cricket captain Mahendra Singh Dhoni as its brand ambassador in India. Dhoni will mark his debut innings with Citroën in a campaign that will soon go live. We believe that our association with one of India's finest cricketers, Dhoni, will go a long way in reinforcing our commitment to the Indian market.
Question number 10. Dinesh Karthik announced retirement from IPL. He was played for which IPL team in 2024?
Answer is Royal Challengers Bengaluru RCB. Indian wicketkeeper and Royal Challengers Bengaluru RCB star player Dinesh Karthik has announced his retirement from the Indian Premier League. In IPL 2024, the 38-year-old performed well with the bat, scoring 326 runs from 13 innings at an average of 36.22 and a strike rate of 187.35 with 2 50s. He finished as the 10th highest scorer in IPL history with 48-42 runs to his name from 234 innings. Karthik served as captain of the Kolkata Knight Riders between 2018 and 2020.
Question number 11. Who has won the Monaco Grand Prix 2024?
Answer is Charles Leclerc. Charles Leclerc became the first Monegasque driver to win the Monaco Grand Prix since Louis Giro in 1931. McLaren's Oscar Piastri finished second, 7.1 seconds behind after a race that saw little overtaking on the narrow street circuit. Ferrari's Carlos Sainz secured third place.
Question number 12. World's longest-serving flight attendant passed away at 88. Her name?
Answer is Bedi Nash. Bedi Nash, the world's longest-tenured flight attendant, died at 88 after a battle with breast cancer. Nash, who began her career in 1957 with Eastern Airlines, served for nearly 67 years without officially retiring. Honored with a Guinness World Record in 2022, Nash was celebrated for her dedication and impact on the aviation industry.
Question number 13. International Day of United Nations Peacekeepers is observed annually on.
Answer is 29th May. The International Day of United Nations Peacekeepers is observed on 29th May annually. The 2024 theme is Fit for the Future, Building Better Together. The first UN peacekeeping mission called the United Nations Truce Supervision Organization, or UNSO, began operations in Palestine on 29 May 1948. The day was designated by United Nations General Assembly on 11 December 2002 and first celebrated in 2003.
Question number 14. International Everest Day is observed every year on.
Answer is 29th May. International Everest Day is being observed every year on 29th May. Nepalese Tenzing Norgay and New Zealand's Edmund Hillary had climbed Mount Everest on this day in 1953 as the first humans to achieve the feat. Nepal decided to observe the day as International Everest Day in 2008 when the legendary climber Hillary passed away. Reaching an elevation of 29,032 feet, 8,849 meters, Mount Everest is the highest mountain in the world.
Question number 15. World Digestive Health Day is observed every year on.
Answer is 29th May. Every year, World Digestive Health Day is observed on 29th May. It is organized by the World Gastroenterology Organization, WGO, in collaboration with the WGO Foundation, WGOF. This year, 2024, the World Digestive Health Day theme is Your Digestive Health, Make It a Priority. World Digestive Health Day was launched in 2004 to mark the 45th anniversary of the creation of the World Gastroenterology Organization. Thanks for watching full video. You can join in our membership plan for daily, weekly and monthly current affairs PDFs. Please contact me on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is 9700200378.